Upper Deck Prominent cuts by the Red Baron. I'm going to put his eBay link to the side if you're interested. Check out his eBay auctions. Pack one. I've already busted like 2 boxes of this. You got a Denny Crumb cut and a
Mario Andretti
cut and a nice UFC Machida autograph. That stuff will be listed. So.
It's like a jersey. Not a jersey, but a duel.
Oh, that's pretty sick looking.
Real love. Motorcycle pants and a shirt. Okay. We got a shirt from Adam Sandler and Spanglish.
Nice.
And, oh, nice. A Drew Barrymore motorcycle pants from Charlie's Angels.
Woohoo. Sweet. Scratch and sniff. Alright, pack 2.
If we get the cut now, we're going to put it off to the side to the end. Looks like the cut.
That's the cut.
Hold it for a while.
Pack 3.
Maybe not.
Stuff looks pretty nice.
These are movie stars and presidents and things and stuff.
All kinds of stuff. Sports, movies, presidents.
Even out of a box, you'll have 2 jersey swatches, 2 MMA autographs, and a cut signature.
Anderson Silva.
Oh, nice.
Sweet.
Anderson Silva. Nice. That should be one of the best ones.
That's big.
Very nice.
You don't know who that guy is?
Yeah, because I got some of that new MMA box. His card was the highest in there. In the box. It's just a base card. It's like $5 somewhere.
Are they not serial numbered? So probably short prints.
I guarantee you some will be harder to pull than others.
Kim Kardashian. Jason Lambert.
Jason Lambert.
Don't know who it is, but it'll be on eBay, so.
Not sure either, but I know who that guy is. Pretty much the best fighter in the world. Pound for pound. Alright. Adam Sandler, Drew Barrymore. Very nice looking set.
One more materials, then we'll get to the cut. Shirt from An Unfinished Life. Let's see. Redford. Oh, nice. It's a Robert Redford shirt from Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kid.
Damn, nice.
5 packs in a box, and the box is
very nice box so far. Let's hope it's a good cut, too.
Alright. We're going to add a cut auto. 15 of 21. Actor Tony Curtis.
Tony Curtis. Nice. That should be pretty nice too. Very good box, I'd say.
Solid.
All right.
Solid.
Check the eBay link.
Danny, stay away from the photo.